Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin on Cash App. So first, open up your Cash App application and then go right here as you can see and then tap on this USD icon at the center of your screen. So once you've tapped this one, you will go right here to convert your Bitcoin to USD. So by default, it will be US dollars, but if you want to convert your currency into Bitcoin, you just tap that Bitcoin right here. But if you don't have a Bitcoin yet, you can buy Bitcoin instantly using this one. So you can have your Bitcoin. And then once you've done going back to your application, then finally you just have to tap this QR code scanner to withdraw your Bitcoin on Cash App. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.